political activities.
Muwaziri w'oburendi bw'ime Kipchumba Murkomen koboria abanasiasa gudatumika abasae korenta chiburaburu.
Nafika sijafika. Hapa ni wapi? Walikuwa huyu Kasonga untegani? Rigijia mefika hajafika.
Etaro yegemye kwamiriria serikali goika omoelio imeyorogongo rwa Gusii.
Solidarity forever. Watu wa Nairobi msile nyama. Don't eat meat from today. Hiyo nyama bado haijakaguliwa na haijapita viwango ambavyo vinakana kukaguliwa.
Abamenyi be county ya Nairobi koboli gwa koba maiso chinga kibagotumika enyama kubwatikana no gwatika kuborwaire bwa anthrax. Mwanje murigereria to kwariganiri ndo tosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omwelio. Kuri ndegemi yabarayibali bakwamereria serikali yabereke gokorekana asegika kyamatuko atatu nigo yaika omwelio imeyorogongo rwa Gusii tukolia lero ase abarayabo baba gotarira chinsemo anene asensemo yebunge ya machoge borabu machoge chache ensemeli yebunge ya basi nabo igo ensemo yebunge enyalibali basaba.
Murikito Wycliffe Orenge na bwateria emirobiri ya siri tukerigario mwelio robotiro ya senchero ubikira.
Neli tukulia gatatu na endeleo mwelio asetaro yabarai kurwa sensemeli kwamereria serikali imiyorogongo rwa Gusii.
Hapa ni kaunti gani?
Abo asiri tukulia lero bayeira etaro yabo gochia sensemu yebunge omachoga chache bumachoga barabu bobasia manajali bali masaba asaba kwanira abantu asinsemo au asesabali yabo ya chakera asomo chibuo gembo na kugandira gochia ase mochoka nyanya imeya omachoga barabu nyamache na gokolera ase omochoma simba imensemu yebunge nyalwali masaba.
Hapa ni Kirinyaga, hapa ni Nyeri, hapa ni Meru, hapa ni kaunti gani? Hapa ni kaunti gani?
Viongozi, kwa sababu tuko na viongozi wengi hapa. Harambe moko banyora mobatebi ganko bakirambu yamono bakanyete mbura paka tuwaiko, lakini mobatebie twaiwana nire na batoko boli chikura kama chibo president ngakwira na tole bachibugiranga bahate tojokoro musange kano boroge Nyamarambe na ndokoro yonde tano.
Asichinkuwa na chiapa bwasa barwana Fred Matiang'i niko bagandira kujaraga ebyara serikali ya broad-based insi oburaibu William Ruto abo asabate babuna eganga yabenene no kweneka bunanga mu rusibero obisi elinde baleto burayi oboye
akanyorosha. Sasa si mnaona ana uzoefu wa kutosha kufanya hiyo kazi nyingine ya ile kitu nyingine, mtamuunga mkono. Amemaliza Kenya kabisa. Kuna watu wanasema Kisii na tunyarire.
Msifadhaiki ati huyu jamaa anaweza kukatalia pale ati huwezi kushinda rais.
Nigayamo cha serikali asogote makoni ya chisekta cha serikali ikiate babuna nenchira ya mayogo waka korondo nenibo yaba Kenya.
Mwisho wanapora Kenya, usiku na mchana wanapora Kenya. Unasikia bilioni 11 ya SHA imepotea. Sasa tuko tunasikia tena ya kwamba mabilioni ingine pia inaendelea kupotea. Hivi ungine Manala term 5 years hakutakuwa na Kenya tena. Alikuwa anauza KICC, hata sanamu ya Jomo Kenyatta ilikuwa inaenda. Haki ya Mungu.
Nero yokabero mokonyi bo muraibu ense Rigathi Gachagua nigagendera no rumiru wa Yorotindi no bororo abo asayemo cha serikali asogote magotanga barayi abo tibabasogoswa asomo chibosongo gwetera sabasae.
Kisii nione my cousin. Nimefika sijafika. Hapa ni wapi? Walikuwa huyu Kasongo anasema atirikijia tokagi mlimani. Hapa ni Nyandarua. Hapa ni Kirinyaga. Hapa ni Nyeri. Hapa ni Meru. Hapa ni kaunti gani? Hapa ni kaunti gani?
Na manyi benseme yamo nabarai wanyaka bago wakambye mono asenge ncho molembe huyo nyaka bago korekana asetare yo yamatukatato.
Ibrahim Onami Mbuya na veire naba viongozi bya upinzani koru Keroka Kerenyo Kisii Stadium itukori tangani tuatwaro boko Keroka na Kisii, lakini itukori akabere koru Marani na tuwajete Nyamira igoro Marani na Nyakoe Suneka na Nyamarambe mukutana yonsi ya ito yarengengia iga wananchi they are peaceful, wananchi amoroje baikira pesa teje to baete bajo mkutano
Kane kiongozi wa vijana ke akusi twakokire kwariga ni matiangi ke Gembo tubata mogoko tubata mani nene
bonekero etari ya erire bene nigo yatigira sabarai kweneke buna gwetanga bari kurwa asichinkwa na cyo gwatana na Wakenya na korario malembe inkulipoteri Nsoko TV kurwa Gembo enseme ye bunge ya Machoge Chache e county ya Kisii iritariane Wycliffe Orenge
Toska bosio mwancho murigereria egati yabamenyi kurwa sensemo ya Keumbu egotoka ensemo bunge ya Nyaribari Chache nigo bono ba mochiro yo kabero mokonyi bumurai bwense umusikeri gadigashagwa se enkwana yaye imeye bunge yo chinga ki chetaro ya matukatato na baraibande bensemerio kwa meria serikali
nigo enkwana yaye yaringete umubunge Zahiri Chanda unanigo bachorete umurai otabwenereti ukwana nabariki bamangana nigo barokyo kogechugwa kwabo na kumwegerera Chanda unaniga agendete gokoria buya sensemo ya magendero asoborai bwaye
abanyambe ya saraso mutyoke umbu una njomo ngene gando na kwane omongno oleke umbu ase biashara moro bina twale ko oria tindira onya tali Zahiri Chanda kanga ndola bete bina tokora baiga ekere mbule ko tuna kito ko igama Zahiri Chanda otokora ira magenderero ege go tokosa neki igati kashagwa ekero go to tenga ae cousin igonda etengo kanie ke gusiga moturanzire telie ke gusina kina akane buna njomo ngina ekera go ja ko lige sima tiangi chikura tigamori sine njere nyororo tabasa kora mo mweshimi omo mpyo ito Zahiri Chanda ase ndumuna banyali bali nduna to isaine na ndengo nyarare gasi ngia go soera so muindi gote muindi ne kara to toligereti omuindi ndu toligereti ngane kara yo muindi otokorera magenderero ogere bakati bazari tigo so agoka estimate obwate pare to bwate na bona chibaranje chibe kwera mi wiki etali kwera omuindi na isaine ko sada isaine
kwa majina ni mama wa Keumbu anauza sweet bananas. Mimi nimekasirika kwa ajili ya kasawa. Vile ulikuja hapa Kisii, kama unatafuta kiti yako vile unataka, usa sera zako, achana na sera za mwingine. Huyu tulimchagua kama MP wetu wa Nyaribari Chache. Vyenye ametufanyia sisi ndio tunajua. Kama mimi vile ninaongea hivi, si kuwa na stima. Saa hii ninafinya stima, musiki kwangu ni usiku na mchana.
Onye to kora chikura gose to korigi chikura tiga torigi chikura senjerere ndonge totiga no mugako yo gakio korira magenderere kene pine benga no mochero yu agoto in fact imechine menga abantu bakuraranja basi ena basara bina bana gancharande ama ene ndiri mwesi miwa chandale nkore na ale kogena mateka kingo mochero yingiye kende
Mwaziri bobulendi bwaime Kipchumba Murkomen ni goikira na busibwe Senate ilikwiraniria amabolyo arengete obulendi asense ya Kenya.
Kaokwana asema gache bunge eyo ya Senate nigo bono aine kyo gutumekwa kwa basae na bana siasa ile korenta chibura buru asagikere kore kyane gatigwe ase county ya Kisii chinga kyaba merri bensemo ya serikali babwate taro yao.
Nanya nabo ni gaenekirie abakenya kubwaterana ile gotinyo obulendi imense ya Kenya.
Activities, I will reiterate what the majority leader said about political players. Yes, some gangs are properly and fully utilized by politicians, 100%. If you saw some of the challenges we had in Kisii this weekend, courtesy of political activities in that area, you will see that both those who are campaigning and their competitors are mobilizing young people, including some of them have unique uniforms in light with the political side they support. And I think it is an area also we must work together to get rid of it. But we will, as we continue enforcing the law, I believe that the people of Kenya will support us even where the political leaders do not. I agree with Senator Lemaletian on the question of Samburu, Maralal. You know very well that we've done a lot in Maralal. We changed security recently, tried to bolster the security team, and the IG is working on, and it's not just Maralal alone, across the country, deploying more police officers, more agile, newly trained, as soon as we complete the current training in September, October. And I hope that this will help us. As you know, Samburu, we have various challenges. We are still dealing with bandits, and then we are told in town people are causing havoc, gangs and goons and mob justice in the town. I know you have asked me to pick my calls. I'm sure when I leave this chamber now, there will be a member of parliament or a senator who is complaining that I have not picked their calls. The nature of the job I do, Madam Speaker, is very, very, very busy. Between now and 1 a.m., I will still be working, and I'm expected to wake up the next day to do some work. So if when I do not manage to respond to your calls, there are channeled established procedures in the office. And I have come to establish that many people who come to my office, they will not leave their issues with the officers in the office. They just insisted that I wanted to see the cabinet secretary. If we can utilize the resources in the office, then they can be able to respond, like Senator Chutia said. Lastly, IBC, I think we will support IBC, and the National Police Service is ready to support IBC to make sure that political activities are done within the law. If I pronounce myself here that we are doing it on behalf of IBC, or we are banning public rallies, I think IBC should take the legal steps, and it is for us then to support them, whether it's policy from my office or the IG security-wise, to make sure that once they pronounce a certain gathering to be illegal, then it is for us.
Maegayo murai wense Dr. William Ruto korata obwaga chio bogendete wensemo ya kansa imiyomo chio bosongo iyo chagete omwaka bwechiri bubere 2024 na koratera asigika ky'omwaka oyeta ditko lero nigo mo bisomo nene ase wizara yoboerania na boigo amangana yekirero Stephen Saboke mo bisomo nene ase gitabo kyobochenu Michael Oluga na bigo mokonyi bomugabana we county ya Kisii Elijah Obebo batarire nsemeyo eliokorotota enchera amaga chagendete na kulira yogochia koenekia naere obwangoiga eliokonya kurubo gwenya obo bogendete osobokonyi bo kurubo gwenya bwa kansa.
Robero yone kiwa asomori kitopetu el machini arenge nabona gutumanya senchero bwikira.
Magega yo mraibwen somos William Ruto kurugo kurira gutindi gucha somo nyakonda bubwagachi bwetsenigia kansa imemo chobo songo yore kanize kuirangora kesa magacha yo chaki umwaka w'echiro 2024. Ritukuria rero nigo bisomo nena se wizara yo bwerene na bwigamangane kerero Stephen Saboke mo bisomo nena se getabo kyobochenu Michael Luga amono mokonyi bumugabana bwe county ya Kisii Elijah Obebo egatia baribande baratobwagachi obwo
ere twachagaiga ese Kisii Cancer Center of Excellence kotara korora emegendere ngandi nkayekire egasi yegendere yo gochenga yo kwagacha Cancer Center muna momanyete center ya chagitengi myaka ibere ya erire ekaroswa lakini karatene nake esabuguria ya mangana ndabete contract ni chikasichinde lakini ekere mwanene bwenso yo muya President William Ruto iregasiye okoba amangana ya afya alenge genteke mokiaba begete sichipila chirisano chapeta tukoroka peta plan agatabe genteke gekoru gekonya abantu bayito tari gusiyoka lakini western
kuringana na Isaboke nigo areiro bya bwegetsenekyo ekerokera ire nigo kira konyo kurwani oboriro bwo kubotikana niganga yumrai bwense gokinyo bokorri bwo bochenu.
Cancer is now becoming a pandemic with the high numbers affected across the villages and across the country, and it's actually a big blessing for Kisii County and this region of Western Kenya that we actually have a big center here. So for me is to witness the progress, and as you know, when the president was actually in Kisii a few weeks ago, after launching Yota, dispersing money and all that, one of the things he committed on the roadside after the groundbreaking ceremony was actually the cancer center. He did commit that he's actually identified a contractor, and I'm sure Panakiu, and I know him, that a proper contractor has been identified. There was one who was doing a lot of kitendawili before, that now this work has to be done and has to be finished, and that's why we are happy to see the contractor on the ground because of the commitment to deliver healthcare to our people.
Sensemo yayo Luga nigo gikiri abantu bali batari kubwatia marago yo mwaziri bobo chenu Eden Duale kuira abantu chinsi chisi kokonyoro bwenya buburiro bwo asisha etaba konye.
The Cabinet Secretary for Health, Honorable Eden Duale, gazetted the conditions and the procedures that cannot be done here in Kenya. Now, many people, and here we have to be extremely firm, there are many agents who come to the villages, and because cancer is a very painful thing, they cause misinformation. They take some of these patients, they go with them to India and many places. They have not followed the procedure. Once you have not followed the procedure, it is almost impossible for the Social Health Authority to pay for you. We have worked with our Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and between myself and PS Sing'oei, we have established a procedure through our embassies, Kenyan embassies abroad, so that we can track every single Kenyan who is seeking care abroad.
Boigo kurengano ya mubabo botania bubago siro wagacho bokura sense ya Bongereza kubwatirana nense ya Kenya Graham Road negatugire kubwatirana uko eri gukoro mochando kansa imense ya Kenya.
One of the very early missions that we had was how do we help to address the problems of cancer care in Kenya? How do you deliver cancer care and research close to local people where it's most needed? So this is about my third or fourth time in Kisii County, and it's really exciting to see this whole of government approach to deliver fundamental cancer care delivery for the people of Kisii so that they don't need to travel to other centres. And really, on behalf of the British government working in partnership with the Kenyan government, very much one of our first projects was based here in Kisii County. In fact, much of the origination of the idea of the partnership came from Kisii County. So Kisii is very much at the centre of our envisioning for cancer care across the whole of the country.
Asebono mokonyi bu mugavana bwe county ya Kisii muskela ijobebo aborio kwangu ya okwagachu kugetsenikyo erigokora mochando cancer.
We know, as you have said, the cancer burden in terms of impact and cost is high, and the faster therefore this project is accomplished, the better. We believe once it's done, then the cost reduction in terms of disease will really come down, and cost of treating the disease. We believe as a county government, we believe that you will get the job done and done in good time.
Kuripoteria Soko TV kurasigitseni kigagia kansa imemo chubo Songwe county ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Wajumbe wensemo ye bunge ya Burabu Mheshimiwa Patrick Osero ni goritkoria rero abwatuka chibasari che shilingi 1,043.4 uchasa chiskuru che secondary university hamone chiskuru cho Burundi.
Nigo serekere kia sabire chiskuru che wadi ya kia wonyoru wakorumo kia asekelewna ni ya wadi yu egotwaro mubaromo kebwa borokyo bakogenda chi university.
Chiskuru cha Endiba Mecheo Senior School negatie chiskuru chinda sebunge yu ya Burabu echichire no mubaromo kebwa borokyo begrade komegwe kiraboniga muri kito Steven Nyariki agotomanya senchiro bwikira.
Nigo haso mwaka wechibesa o 2025-2026 nigo mubunge Burabu Patrick Osero abwatukire chipasari chibesa cha 43.4 million kochi aborokiwa be secondary chi college chi university kirobo igo abana boda boda emyeyemo na 23 banyore gosirwa chira incest cho Burundi.
Tarehe 25 mwezi wa pili NGCDF ya Burabu in terms of bursary imepeana 43,469,298.
Ase egasia ko ile como agarambia mono asowoge kama gasiboda boda como yoyo kantreo sasa
Kaukwa na asamaga cha CDF imeyakijauri nigo sererenga asiki bunge yae kurwa chibesa chekerengo gete yekorenganiwa ne chipunge chinde ngwana yasewa no muteneo CDF Dennis Rosana.
Vile hii cheki imetoka hapa, there are issues saa ingine unaona kwa mtandao Arama yeye anapeana 22,000 per students, na wewe mbona unapeana 4,000 5,000? Population. Number 2, constituency kama Nairobi ati Nakuru West is in town center, iko town katikati, kila mtu ako na maji ya municipal, si ndio? So weki maji,
kila mtu aliapply person form yake kapita kwa chief
chifu akaweka muhuri, hiyo mwanafunzi atapata. So kuna wengine wanasema Mheshimiwa Sera anatakana apeane 1,100 kwa mwanafunzi mwingine. Akipeana 1,100 kwa mwanafunzi mmoja, wanafunzi 300 hawatapata pesa.
Osero ni gaboririe chiskuru che wodi ya Kiabonyoru komenta gukora umukia.
Time kuna wakati 2014-2015 watoto walienda university Kiabonyoru ngima walikuwa wawili tu. Imagine ward mzima. Saa hiyo Nyantiongo peke yake ilikuwa inapeleka sijui 140. Saa hii tumepanda tumefika 136. This coming year I'm challenging my principles gaki. We must make Kiabonyoru at least 200. Tuanze kupanda pole pole. Usibona? Yeah.
Obusira ngoje kubekwa ase skuru yendiba na meche senior school iliyo gosira aboroki wa goso ase grade 10.
Wewe ukipata grade 10 unapata watoto 9. Honestly, 9. Hapo iko maneno. So zile shule mimi naangalia sana ni hiyo mecheo na endiba.
Ase bari bakonyekire no muroberi oyo iga igo bagokere obwena ni bwe pasari borabu.
A program nere tobwate ya help koranjo mheshimiwa gokwira na uchibunge anchamo fuatilie program eri ya
unachakide kula tunawele kompende bitai nale kisu university ya wanafunzi abange na babasoba bora normally even last year I remember you are given 900 and something thousand is university.
That as principals we shall be working hard to ensure that Borabu science has been doing well. It's among the sub-counties that it does well.
Igekerekia borokiwa bari bagosomera mangana yekerero Borabu bagenderere gosirwa amasomo abosa.
Ila bana bamanya wamejituma hapa. They are going to graduate from there now to December. After that now when you release them now we take another batch ambaye huyu atanipatia nafasi za NYS nafasi 200 hapa jibu moyo.
Steven Nyarike Mude, Soko TV, Kijauri, Borabu, county ya Nyamira.
Omujumbe West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigasabire kiombe ky'abanyanyimbo National Police Service kwari bagaritangani abakili bari bakorwa obukoreri bwabo bwakira litko ase kiombe kyo
kawo kwane mambia rero asamagacho yebunge nene Mheshimiwa Mogaka niko bona atebire engane iyo nigo yokuno obukoreri bwaye una umumanyi bweri chiko asebona asabire ikiombe kyo kenyare ko bagi koirere engane iyo noborito boigoro koenekia buna bakori mirimo bonsi bakora gase security cha serikali konyara barengeria.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for allowing me to ride on that. The question touches on my profession. Madam Speaker, in-house counsels forfeit their practicing in private. They shut down their law firms. They are not allowed to retain clients. And therefore, in lieu of that, they are required to be paid their non-practicing allowance. To fail to pay is a grave violation of professional rights, of human rights and labor rights, and I do urge that that question be answered as a matter of priority because every profession needs protection, including my legal profession. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Abamenyi be county ya Nairobi nigo bono baburi gwe koba maiso gose gutigana koria enyama kubwatekana no gwatika kuburire bokorentwa n'inyama okwo no kuboria kwarurwe na barayi abo bara bakori abene mu sector bochanu asebara gwono murikyo monene bw'ikyombe ky'aba Teresa KNUN set panyako murai bw'ikyombe ky'aba clinical officers Peter Washira abo igo muriki bw'ikyombe gya Kuko George Gibore asebona ba mu kire serikali ya county ya Nairobi asogusinyo kubeka okoigwana higati abakori emirimo be county eyo banyara ko babakwirana emirimo higento batebire kyabekiro bochanu we county yo asako
nigo boigo babeire bagokwanira buna oburoire bokorentwa n'inyama oburoire bwa anthrax nigo babeire bogwatika ase county ya Nairobi asibabole bamenye be county eyo wetanga korwa ase ogotumeka enyama gose koba maiso chingaki bakoyetumika muri kito Linet Nyambane no roboti rwa Suwime
Nairobi musile nyama
don't eat meat from today. Hiyo nyama bado haijakaguliwa na haijapita viwango ambavyo vinatakana kukaguliwa.
Abarai babakorie mirimo ase sector yobochenu barure ogokurera gochia ase abamenyi be county ya Nairobi gotiga koria enyama ase batebire kubwatekana no mugiro babakorie mirimo enyama eyo abamenyi babeire bakoria terikorengwa egento kieire ogwateka kuborwire bwa anthrax.
Huo ugonjwa inamaanisha kwamba idara ambayo inahusika na ukakuzi wa vyakula na nyama haifanyi kazi. Kwa hivyo nataka kuonya watu wa Nairobi, mkila nyama ya Nairobi, mjue hii nyama haina ukaguzi, mtakula ugonjwa na mnapata madhara makubwa sana.
Viva nurses, viva! Viva! Viva clinical officers, viva! Viva! Viva Numulo, viva!
Abarai abo babakorie mirimo ase sector ya Nyagitari bono nigo baruko bure gochia ase omugavana bwe county ya Nairobi na boigo oribwe county ya Marsabit kwene kiangu ikiraniare okugania kwabo na ribarachi koirania gochia ase Chinyagitari na kugenderera kurwa obokoreri.
That it is very unfortunate that we have two counties where for the past about 3 to 4 months the health services have collapsed, but all we can say from the people who are concerned, being the Governor Sakaja, the Governor of Nairobi, and the Governor of Marsabit, they are more concerned with the politics of the day and where to align themselves. In Marsabit County, the health services are only operating at 90%. We have data which we are going to share with you that 90% of the services are not being offered.
Bono baorokirie obwoba bwabo ase batebire kubatekana no mugiro yo obugima babamenyi bechi county ibere county ya Nairobi amoneri ya Marsabit nigobore asabe anene asaba subati bakuibora na abana bari babwenerete kwenyorera echanjo.
Go to Pumwani Maternity Hospital, a facility that in a normal day sees mothers who deliver safely 40 to 50. Mothers deliver there safely in 24 hours. The impact as of today is that 10 or rather 5 to 10 mothers are now delivering there. So where are the rest of these mothers? Where are they delivering at? On a normal day, Pumwani Maternity Hospital immunizes more than 300 kids from Monday to Friday. So if you multiply 300 per day times 5, you will get the number. So for the last 40 days, where are these kids?
Nigo bamochire serikali ye county ya Nairobi ase ogotumia aborokiwa bare ase amasomo abo batebire batabwati obumanyi bwoisaine bwokurwaria.
Making us mad is that there is budget. They indicated to have a budget. Now we are running a financial period that is halfway, actually almost going to end. We are in the third quarter. They do not want to use this money. Where do they want to direct these resources to? Yes. We want action. We do not want any agreement anymore.
Naitisha mwito kwa governor wa jiji la Nairobi. Namwambia kwamba tuache siasa ndani ya mambo ya huduma wa afya. Hatuwezi kuwa tumenyamaza na wananchi wa kawaida wanaumia. Wahenga walisema kwamba palipo na fahali wawili wakimenyana, nyasi ndio huumia. Hapa nyasi ambayo inaumia katika jiji la Nairobi ni yule mwananchi mwenye anaishi Korokocho, yule anaishi Kibira, yule anaishi katika mazingira duni ambaye hana pesa za kwenda katika hospitali za kibinafsi.
Nonye nabo nigo bamochire mugavana bwe county ya Nairobi ase batebire buna nigo aberega kubagosoreria gochia kubabuta emeremo.
We must make it very clear that we are demanding action.
Kwa hivyo tunataka kusikia sauti ya seneta wa wapi? Wa Nairobi. Si namna hiyo? Tunataka kusikia sauti ya mama county wa Nairobi. Esther Basari, si ndio? Tunataka kusikia sauti ya wabunge wa Nairobi. Unaweza kuwa namna gani mmenyamaza na watu wenu ambao nyinyi mnaongoza wanaumia?
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi iretaria ne Linet Nyambane.
Ekiombe gya FKF orosagiro county ya Machakos nigo gyachakire omoroberio bene ukinya chigosori cy'umupira w'amaguru eri gokonya abasae abo bari nebiegwa konyarari bagali kogosoria ase chinse cheisiko
munyakerogo bwekyombe Nur Abdi nigobona atebire bose egangeyo nigobono eraikirane ekero barabwatira na basamaria baya abo bari no moyo omuya se chigosori asatebire chibesa na chichare nturo muchanda ase chitimo ime county ya Machakos.
Imeroberio yogoche gutingia chigosori cy'umupira ime ya Machakos nigo yachakiwe magega yekyombe kia FKF kuria eira guche kurwania chisponsor bali neganga yobonche ekyombe kiga FKF urusagia rwa Machakos bono nigo bachakiri umuroberio bwo gutingia chigosori echiga ase binyoro iryo kwaribaga basai bali nebiegwa guche kwamerania ase chigosori chinseye amo ne chinse chesiko.
Hii tunafanya differently. Kutakuwa na talent selection, kutakuwa na scout, kutakuwa na after the tournament, kutakuwa na training ya the best wale tumeselect, at least tuone pale tunaweza wasukuma na the money ile itapatikana itasaidia pia teams, na pia tutakuwa na programs za training ya kuempower our youth, na aim yetu ni kuwe na training ya coaching courses, ya refereeing courses, ya administration as a club. Pia club pia zinafaa kuwa na structure ya kurun club zao vizuri.
Munyakerogo OFKF urusagerwa Machakos Nur Abdi nigagoteba aya niganyarikanire kubwatikana na ukubwaterana n'ababwatani ao boigokaro umukaptain Irene Ndanu uyurigeti guchego sponsor chitimu 250 imeye county yo asoko yarigania guchia kurwanirire gekombe kia Irene Ndanu ekyo gekageire guchia guchakigwa bwangoiga.
Well, I mean, as a sponsor yangu tu ni facilitate the activities, but the rest of it, to be able to run a successful tournament, I will depend on their full cooperation and partnership, which wameshanipatia already. So I expect wao watanipatia referees, wata officiate matches, now just to make sure that the whole tournament goes and turns out smoothly. I saw an opportunity to do something bigger and better, and why not? So ndio nikaamua kufanya hii football. And I mean, right now, football is really big, and nimeona youth wa Machakos wanapenda football. There's talent in Machakos, so I feel like this is a good platform to showcase that.
Boigo nigarireira guchia kubakonya ensemo ye uniform boigo ni chibesa ni bintu biribaganeirie gukorera chigosori.
So I will be kitting all the teams that are going to participate in this tournament. To provide uniform, to provide ball, to provide meals during the tournament, pamoja na refreshments, and then for the ladies team, kwa sababu ya my already existing foundation, tutapatia sanitary tap.
Kuripoteria TV Yensoko edita Nedina Mura.
Mwancho murigeria kidagika 35 chia utokirigoro yechiesa isato chia vono botuko tubasaba kwa berase nginchontu aroberete gutwara enkwane abeno botuko bwarero nere Shem Bisimba oyo okoria ekero kyobwe MCS wodi abo chitendere kurigeria gusanga manga yo akorotota obokorari wabasai na bagiranga yabo yobweso yase oborai kurindo ko baisa tanya ka wachiko tangeka tarekera nase studio biro bigotoka chinga kichinde tochigosanga nere chengo ko gandria obotukobia abigo gandra gutwara nemiro birio emiyege ndata sembe Yensoko TV chengo ko Clinton ndiki
na nchenkoro kwa kerubo freedom mwancho muligereria na batobwatira na soko neke bna chibicha niliogiria gukira sole asenchira ya venenere Brian Achaka Misef na boigo Barnabas Ondali tumirane ekera yesara nche tokuganiria obuligeria borobya keima.